Tourism. Travel and tourism is a significant sector, teeming with tremendous potential to provide the wings of reality to the bird of dream of shaping the 21st century India into a new and self-reliant nation. Merging and mingling countries, regions and cultures into an aesthetic amalgamation of economic and cultural development. Gujarat is also geared up to explore the endless horizons of the development of tourism through combination of ancient civilization, glorious historical heritage, multicolored cultures and new projects into the field of tourism. With the same vigor and vivacity, an unprecedented event is being held in Gujarat for the first time on the 1st of December 2021. All India Influencers Meet. With the consolidated effort of Ministry of Tourism and Gujarat Tourism, where the travel bloggers and influencers from every nook and corner of the country are going to hail the humble abode of Gujarat. Between the 2nd of December to the 6th of December, their visits to Vadnagar, Patan, Modhera, Dasada, Ghurkhar Sanctuary, Dhordo, Rann Utsav, Bhuj, Ahmedabad Heritage Walk and various other places have been planned exclusively so that the visitors can enlighten and enrich their knowledge about the vibrant ocean of various cultures of Gujarat, which is an excellent epitome of hospitality. Gujarat, the treasure of tourism.